What's up, guys? So today I am going to show you what the stuff that I will need. What's up, guys? So today I just want to show you the stuff that I probably will use when I go back to busk on the street after the quarantine period here in Galway. What I was thinking that I will need is something that people can see and say, okay, this guy is practicing social distancing, so they can see that I am doing things in a way that it's safe for me and it's safe also for them. Also, on this way I won't have any problems when the Garda or when the police will come to see the street if everything is okay with the social distancing. So probably these things that I am going to show you will help me to busk on a safe way. But these things are pretty simple things. So the first things that I will need to busk on the street are disposable gloves. I just went down the street in Woody's. Okay, Woody's, that is where I want to go. Disposable gloves. So this is a pack of 100 pieces, so I will use these gloves when I pick up the money from the guitar case. Okay, this is the first thing that I need. Then I went to another shop to buy a chalk because I wanna just take a measure tape and draw a circle or a square of 2 meters. So just to show the people that they should stay 2 meters away from the point, from the spot where I am busking. So I also went to buy chalk, white chalk. I think white chalk is more than enough. So chalk. And the last thing that I bought in the same shop. Okay, I've just been here to buy the chalk and the cardboard for the sign. This is pretty close to where I live. I found a lady that just gave me this for free. These are just 2 cardboards, but what I want to do is to write on these cardboards a sign that says I practice social distancing, or please practice social distancing. Just write something that the people can read and understand that I am practicing social distancing while I am busking. So also this sign will help me to show the Garda or the police that I am busking and telling the people that they should practice social distancing even if they are listening the music that I am playing. And the last thing that I already had, it's just this. It's a simple hand sanitizer that you can just bring with you in your pocket, and for any case to sanitize my hands. This is what is this for, so to sanitize. So I think I will just write down yeah, this is it. So this is going to be the sign. So these are the tools that I will use to busk on the street: the sign, the chalk, the disposable gloves, and the hand sanitizer to sanitize. Another thing that I was thinking to do you think that cashless payment with a card reader can work for a street performer? Do you think that the people will bother to give you donations or payments through a card reader that you can connect with your phone via Bluetooth? Do you think that this method could work for street performers, or do you think that the cash is still the most used payment that buskers and street performers will have during this end of the pandemic period? Let me know in the comments what do you think about this, and this is all, guys, for the video of today, and I'll see you with the next video. Thanks, guys.